tongue, and I won't say a word against anyone, but I don't want to get my fingers wet unless it's an accident. I fell out in the street, now I'm watching the shoes and I grit my teeth, but I don't have to look that way if I had half a say. It's about time, it's about time. Lick my lips and I won't hear the end of this. On your knees a reassurance, buy some time and come back for it. Before long, before it's gone. Patience is like bread, I say. I ran out of that yesterday.